Hi friends, welcome to IBPS AFO channel. So many students ask me to cover the syllabus of IBPS, especially for agriculture field officer. Definitely students, I will provide all the information which will help you people to pass the exam, especially regarding agriculture only. If time permits, I will also discussing about how to solve puzzles and clear quants. And some of the free PDF files I will provide in the descriptions. In this channel, I will be covering general agriculture books like Nemra Sunda, S.R. Kanto and D.K. Wadhwa, and some current affairs which are important in exam point of view also, and some important agriculture statistics. Some of the students claim it that the various datas and uh, datas are too much complicated, so that I will clarify why the same question have two or three datas, and a new technology in agriculture, and a report summary of some of the institutions like ICR annual reports, NABARD annual reports, NAFED, NDDB, and some important points in agri websites also. This will be helpful for IBPS AFO exams and grade A and grade B of NABARD exam. And in UPSC section, you can get 2 to 3 questions regarding agriculture schemes and some other points also. And this will be helpful for other banking exams. In my next video, I will be covering the strategy for IBPS SO AFO 2017, the pattern, selection ratio for mains and interview, and how to study for last 20 or 40 days to clear IBPS AFO exam, especially for mains. Please subscribe and like and use this channel to clear the exam in short time. All the best. Okay, friends, let's begin this session with the first question. What is the cropping intensity of India? Some of you say it has 137 and some of you say it has 142. Which one is correct, friends? We know that cropping intensity is equal to gross cropped area by net cropped area. Gross cropped area is also called as total cropped area. Net cropped area is also called as net sown area. One and the same. Remember that. And if it is expressed in percentage, means multiply this with 100. Okay. It should be 137% or 142%, or it can be called as 1.37 is the cropping intensity of India, or 1.42 is the cropping intensity of India. Right? Let me discuss why these two answers are there for this question. Friends, who and all said that the cropping intensity of India is 137, that is according to agriculture census. Before that, you have to know something about agriculture census. Agriculture census is conducted separate for India and world. For India, it is conducted for every 5 years, where as in world, it is for every 10 years. In India, it is uh, what you say, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. DAC will conduct agriculture census, whereas in world it is conducted by FAO. FAO. It was established in 1945. It stands for Food and Agriculture Organization. Its president is Graziona da Silva. Graziona da Silva. I repeat, Graziona da Silva. And it was established in 1945. And its headquarters is in Rome, Italy. Right? India. Uh, this is important. For every 5 years, agriculture census is conducted in India. In world, 10 FAO established in 1945. Headquarters is in Rome, Italy, and Graziona da Silva is the president of FAO. Friends, in India, the first agriculture census was conducted in 1970-71. It is important. Remember that first agriculture census was conducted in 1970-71. Later, for every 5 years, it was conducted. First was 1970-71, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. The ninth was of 2010 and 11. The 10th was 2015-16. But this data is not yet released for public domain, and it will be released in the year of 2018. So we are following the data of 2010 and 11 for the reference of agriculture census. Like whatever we will get questions like what is the operational land holding, what are the operated area, what is the average size holding, it will be of agriculture census 2010 and 11, because 2015-16 data is not yet released to public domain. Friends, let's come to the highlights of agriculture census 2010 and 11. The first foremost thing you have to remember is the Department of Agriculture Corporation and Farmers Welfare is responsible for conduction of agriculture census in India of every 5 years, right? And coming to the highlights, the total number of operational holdings are estimated to be 138.35 million. Remember this, friends, it's important. 138.35 million. It is not million hectares, it is million. That means 138.35 million pieces of land is available for agriculture. If you merge all this 138.35 million, you will get 159.59 million hectare, which means 159.39 is the total operated area under agriculture. Remember this, friends. 159.59 million hectare is the total operated area, and 138.35 is the total operational holdings, number of operational holdings. The average is 1.15 hectare. The average size of holding was estimated to be 1.15 hectare, which means per person agriculture one for each and every farmer you will get 1.15 hectare in an average. The total gross cropped area was estimated to be 193.76 million hectare. It is very important, friends. Gross cropped area or total cropped area. It is not net, it is total. 193 is the gross cropped area, right? And net cropped area is 141. This is according to agriculture census 2010 and 11. Okay, 10 and 11, the gross cropped area is 193 hectares and total net cropped area is 141 hectares. If you multiply with 100, you will get 137 point something. Let me round it for 137. This is the cropping intensity of India according to agriculture census. What is 142, friends? 142 is it is as per ICR. We know that ICR, according to ICR, 142 is the it is of 15-16 data. It's not 10-11, 15-16, and it is also same for 16-17 also, 142%. Coming to this, out of 64.5 million hectare net irrigated area, 48.16% is accounted for. Friends, this is the very important table for the exam point of view. You have to remember the size group size, like it has 5 groups: marginal, small, semi-medium, medium, and large. Marginal farmers are who are having less than 1 hectare. 1 to 2 is small farmers. 2 to 4 is semi-medium farmers. 4 to 10 is medium farmers, and who have more than 10 hectares is large farmers. This is very important, friends. You have to remember this size also. And coming to the percentage of number of operational holdings of total area, marginal farmers will constitute for 67%, and small farmers will be 17.9%. Look, analyze this. Most of the Indian farmers are marginal and small farmers. Okay, among this also marginal constitutes for 67%. Coming to the percentage of area, this was number, right? Coming to the percentage of area, marginal and small means total less than 2% of land is accounts for 44.58%. 44.58%. So in the interview, if anyone asks you who are the marginal and small farmers, tell them that marginal farmers are the farmers whose area is less than 1 hectare, and small farmers 1 to 2 hectares. Friends, coming to ICR annual report 2016 and 17, the total gross cropped area is 200.9 million hectare. It is total gross cropped area. I am going to calculate cropping intensity. Okay, in numerator we will be having total gross cropped area. Gross cropped area, which is 200.9 million hectares, whereas in agriculture census 2010 and 11 it was 193, right? 193.76, right? Gross cropped area is 200.9, and net cropped area is same. Both data is also same, 141, which will be equal to, friends, 1.42 or 142%. This is the reason for why we will get 142 as the cropping intensity, as well as for this 193 we will get 1.37 or 137% of cropping intensity of India. Okay, friends, I hope you understood little bit today.